This is the Truss by Gerber. With the Truss, we took everything that users loved about the suspension and optimized the tool pack to deliver even more functionality. With 17 tools, you'll be able to handle any challenge that comes your way. This butterfly open multi-tool features spring-loaded pliers. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse pliers, and wire cutters. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver, saw, serrated blade, wire stripper, large flathead driver, fine edge blade, cross driver, scissors, awl, ruler, file, medium flathead driver. Locking outboard tools offer quick access and safe use. The Truss comes in a nylon sheath, available in either dual mount or MOLLE compatible options. From the job site to the campsite, the Truss delivers professional grade tools in a compact frame.
This is the center drive from Gerber. We found that consumers on a job site, under the hood of a truck or under a motorcycle, don't always have both hands to operate a multi-tool. The driver, the blade, and the jaws were the three key components that they use. That's why we made all three accessible with one thumb. The Center Drive Plus offers all of the groundbreaking features of the original center drive and takes it to the next level. Upgrades include spring-loaded scissors, partially serrated full-size blade, tumble finished components, and a premium USA-made leather sheath. The sheath is equipped with a set of 12 standard 1/4-inch drive bits. It's available in multiple variants, including stainless, black, and plus. This American-made multi-tool delivers real tools and no compromises.